Hello everyone, I am Rashmi and today I am going to discuss about the solution of this question. We have already discussed about what is random variable, what is the corresponding probability or what is the nature of the probability of random variable, and we have also discussed about the solution of one question or maybe two questions regarding the random variable. So today this is another question which is about the solution of the random variable. So the question is given that a random variable x is defined as the sum of the points on two faces shown by two dice when they are tossed. Find the expected value of x. That means we are to find out the expectation of x. Here already in the question given that x is defined as the sum of the point on the two faces shown by two dice. Therefore, whenever to solve this question, first of all we are to find out the outcomes of the random experiment. Here what is the random experiment? Tossing two coins. So let's start it. First of all, the outcomes when two coins are tossed. Here one by one we will write down all the outcome values. Suppose in the first dice we got the value 1, then in the second dice it has the probability of getting the value 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or suppose in the first dice we are getting the value 2, then we have the possibilities of finding the values in the second dice will be 1 to 6. In the first dice, suppose we are getting the value 2, then in the second dice it has the possibilities to get the values from 1 to 6. So let the values 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. Suppose in the first dice we got the value 3, then in the second dice again it has the possibilities to get the values 1 to 6. So the values will be 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Then in the first dice, suppose we are getting the value 4, then in the second dice we have the possibility to get the values from 1 to 6. So the values 1, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Then next possible values, in the first dice we have the possibilities that getting the value 5. In the second dice again we have the possibilities to getting the value 1 to 6. Therefore the values will be 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then suppose in the first dice we are getting the value 6, then the values are 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6, and all together we are getting the 36 values. Therefore for each probability, suppose probability of 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4 up to 6 6, we have the probability is 1 divided by 36, because 36 is the total number of possible outcomes, and when total number of possible outcome is there, then from the mathematical approach to probability or classical definition of probability, we can say that the probability value will be 1 divided by 36 for each of these outcomes. and the question is given that x is defined as the sum of the points on the two faces. So on the two faces, first value here, the sum will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. X is the random variable. X is the random variable of the sum of points on the two faces shown by two dice. Okay, so now one by one we will find out what will be the sum values. So in the first one, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. 1 plus 1, 2 is the lowest value of this random variable. First value equal to 2. Then we can get 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 2 plus 1 3, it is repeated, 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 3 5. So already up to here we are the getting value 6, and 2 plus 5 is also 1 plus 6 equal to 7. Then 2 plus 5 is also 7. Then 2 plus 6 equal to 8. That means we are the getting value up to 8. 3 plus 1 4, this value 5. 3 plus 3 6, 3 plus 4 7, 3 plus 5 8, 3 plus 6 9. Then 4 plus 1 5, 4 plus 2 6, 4 plus 3 7, 4 plus 4 8, 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 6 10, 5 plus 1 6, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 5 10, 5 plus 6 11, 6 plus 1 7, 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 3 9, 6 plus 4 10, 6 plus 5 11, 6 plus 6 12. That means highest value equal to 12, lowest value equal to 2. So the values are 2 3 4 up to 12 is the highest number. Now we have already found this number. We are to find out the random expectation value. So when we are to find out the expectation value, the formula is expectation of x equal to summation of x px. That means here we are to find out one by one all the random variables and their corresponding probability values. So let us find out. So random variable started from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we are to find out the corresponding probability value. So here we already found that total number of outcomes equal to 36. So whatever value we choose or we get for the probabilities value, here it will be always divided by 36. That means total number of possible outcomes equal to 36. Now for the value 2, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. This is the only outcome which give you the sum of 2, because x is assumed as the random variable of the sum of the point on the two faces. So this is the only one value, so only one outcome is there. Therefore it is 1 divided by 36. Now for 3, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 1 2, this is one outcome, and 2 1, 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So this is two outcome which gave you the sum of 3. Sum of 3, therefore we can write down 2 divided by 36. Now 4 means it is the sum of 4. Sum of 4 will give you 1 3. If 1 3 is the one outcome, then 3 1 will be another outcome. 3 plus 1 equal to 4, and 2 plus 2 is also equal to 4. So here we are getting 3 values. three outcomes, or you can say the three outcomes for which we are getting the sum equal to 4. So here the probability will be 3 divided by 36. Now next value equal to 5. That means we are to find out the outcomes which have the sum value equal to 5. So 5 will give you 1 4. If 1 4 is one outcome, then 4 1 will next outcome. 1 4 4 1, then 2 3, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. If 2 3 is one outcome, then 3 2 is another outcome. That means there are 4 outcomes. So value is equal to 4 divided by 36. Then next value equal to 6. 5 1 5 give you 6. That means 5 1 another outcome. Then 2 4 equal to 6. So 4 2 equal to 6. So we are getting up to 1 2 3 4. 4 outcomes still, and 3 3 will also give you 6. So we are getting 5 outcomes, which will give you the sum of 6. So we can write down 5 divided by 36. Next value equal to 7. 7 will give you 1 6. So 6 1 another outcome, and here 2 5, 2 5 that means 5 2, 3 4 that means 4 3, and okay, we got these outcomes. First one is 47. The value is equal to 1 6, therefore 6 1. Then 2 5 5 2, 2 5 5 2, 3 4 4 3. So we are getting 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Value is equal to 6 divided by 36. Next value equal to 8. That means sum equal to 8. So sum equal to 8 will be 2 6 equal to 8. That means 6 2 another outcome, and 3 5. If 3 5 is one outcome, then 5 3 will be the another outcome. 4 4 is the another outcome. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 values are there. 5 divided by 36. Then the next value equal to 9. 9 will give you 3 6. 3 6 equal to 9. So 6 3 another outcome, 4 5 and 5 4. So we are getting 1 2 3 4. Value is equal to 4 divided by 36. Then the sum equal to 10. Sum equal to 10 will give you 4 6, 4 6 that means 6 4 and 5 5. 3 values. 3 divided by 36. And for 11 we are getting 6 5 and 5 6, because 6 plus 5 equal to 11. So 2 divided by 36, and for 12 we get only one value, 6 6. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. So 1 divided by 36. We have got all the random variable and their corresponding probabilities value. Now we can easily find out the expectation value. Expectation of x is denoted by summation of x px. That means we have to first of all find out the product of the random variable and their corresponding probability and sum of this product value. So for the first outcome 2, the corresponding probability value is 1 divided by 36 plus 3 into 2 divided by 36, 4 into 3 divided by 36, 5 into 4 divided by 36, 6 into 5 divided by 36, 7 into 6 divided by 36, 8 into 5 divided by 36, 9 into 4 divided by 36, 10 into 3 divided by 36, plus 11 into 2 divided by 36, plus 12 into 1 divided by 36. So we have, first of all, write down all the product values. Now 2 into 1 divided by 36 is equal to 2 divided by 36. 3 into 2, 6. 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 4, 20. 6 into 5, 30. 7 into 6, 42. 36. 8 into 5, 40. 36. Then 9 into 4, 36 divided by 36. 10 into 3, 30 divided by 36, plus 11 into 2, 22 divided by 36, 12 into 1, 12 divided by 36. Now we can take the LCM value 36 here. Take the value 36 as LCM and we can write down 2 plus 6 plus 12 plus 20 plus 30 plus 42 plus 40 plus 36 plus 30 plus 22 plus 12, and the sum of all this value will give you 252 divided by 36, and if you divide 252 by divided by 36, it will give you 7. Therefore expectation value equal to 7. So in this way we can easily find out any expectation value. So when one question is given to find out the expectation value, first of all always find out the outcomes of that random variable. Then it is easier for you to find out the random variable and their corresponding probability value.